First of all, okay. So, what is up, everyone? It is I, your favorite YouTuber, HyperS. And you can currently see I'm almost at Shadow. This guy's... Bro, I have the same. I have the same weapon. You have same weapon. Hey! 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 You have same weapon. Look, seriously. I literally have the same weapon as this guy. This guy is a bacon noob. But he's still good. He's still okay. Now I will go. So I just want to tell you an update. I actually traveled to Sandstorm Land, and I did that off camera. Seriously, bro, you had to do that one job just to not. This guy is a legit idiot who killed me. I guess next above Sandstorm is Lightning Land. You obviously need more than double jumps. I'm not gonna go all the way up there with boosting rail or up there. No, I'm just gonna do no, not just fall down and crash. I was even protected. How could they kill me? I was protected. Okay. So that was a little bit. I think, yeah, next is Lightning Land. And it's gonna take hours and ages to get up there, guys. It's super hard. I wonder what this can be. It can be. Let's see. Let's see if this. What? Yeah, I forgot to mention. Those clouds are literally are so aggressive. Literally, they're not normal clouds. They're electric clouds. And you see how much time it took me to go in Sandstorm Land. It was taking ages. Jump, just jump. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna try this. Yo, I actually managed to go to Thunderstorm Land? Are you kidding me? I managed to go in Thunderstorm. Yo. One stop. Okay, let's get this. Yes, okay. So I have to go every time here so I can get one soul. Okay, at least that's a good thing. Well, I actually managed to go in here for some reason. I don't know how. Yes, if you see above me, there's no other lands. Yeah, I think this is the last land. By the way, you see how much this is? I guess this is where I got my friend gave me these two. No, I actually didn't get them. Some guy said, "Who wants free pets?" And I said, "Free OP pets." And I said, me, please. And it says, "Okay, I'll give you." I think he got him from this. And this, by the way, this cost $8 million. I just have, I need 7 million more because I have 1 million. Alright. Look at how much pet do I have. I have literally OP pets. If you want, what do you want? Seriously. Do you have any? Yeah? Like what? What? Huh? No, maybe this? No, this guy doesn't have good pets. I'm denying it. He has bad pets. Alright. Well, greetings, mortals, all living life forms. Sorry, then corrupted. And, bro, someone's here. Yo! Someone's here! I didn't realize someone will actually. I'm just gonna say hi. Hi. Just gonna say hi. Please. If Oh, what the frick did he go? Oh, there he is. Where did he go, bro? There's nothing up there. This is literally it. You can't do anything. You have to double jump like that. You can't do anything. How you can? By the way, let's get some new skills. And I don't. This is literally thunderstorm land. I guess this is the end. You can't really do it at the end. Why even want to buy these? I'm already into the final land. What do you want, guys? What? Like literally what? If you have good pets. If you have good pets. No! No! Denied! He doesn't have any pets. He just wants free pets. I'm not gonna accept that. I'm not gonna give away this guy. This guy is cool. He's awesome. I got both of them level 2. So I only have to go every day there to collect 1 soul. Yeah, okay. Let's see how much souls do you need now. Hold on, let me do. So